Hello everybody. I recently had my BMW in at the dealer for a recall, which was to replace the starter. This is on a 2019 X5 40i. And after I got the car, I was not able to connect my phone to it. I was not able to delete my phone. I wasn't able to add a phone. The phone could not see any Bluetooth signal coming from the car. And here's how you solve that problem. Ignition on, engine not started, but ignition on. The dealer simply held the volume mute button for 20 to 30 seconds is what he said it takes. And I watched him do this. He just pressed it and held it until the display went blank. When the display went blank, he released the button and the whole system rebooted. And once it rebooted, Bluetooth is back on. I was able to add and delete users or add and delete phones, and everything's working normally again. So if you get the car back from your dealer, Bluetooth's not working, that's a solution. The dealer called it resetting the head unit. So a warning, it looks like all my driver profiles have been deleted. So while I was able to in fact reset the head unit, perhaps that erases other important information. I'm going to have to dig into it a little further, but at least that did restore my Bluetooth connectivity and allowed my phone to be able to see the BMW Bluetooth signal in my car. So that's my helpful video for you today. If you found it informative or useful, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.